Alrighty, good morning everybody. It's Thursday morning and I'm out and about Ubering and I'm sitting here waiting for my next call, so I'm going to see if I can snap a few photos and see what happens. Okay, I was over at a spot yesterday over behind the Superstore up on Ennis, and geese were flying there like there was no tomorrow, so I think I'm going to go check that one out. See if I can get some more geese photos. There's a flock of geese flying by right now. But here's a good question for you. You ever notice when geese fly, they fly in a V? And there's always one side longer than the other? Do you want to know why that is? It's because there's more geese on that side. So I just switched locations. I'm over behind the Home Depot now. And I just missed 3 ducks going in for a landing. They're behind some tall grass. Oh, they. Oh man. Instead of talking to you, I should have my camera ready. Oh well. There we go. I just had some sort of falcon or something fly by. A couple of ducks fly by. There's a red-winged blackbird in a tree. Well, I just had another run in Orleans, staying in Orleans. And now I'm over by the Giant Tiger off of Trim and Waters. And there's a kind of like a pondish area here. It's just a little bit of flooding. Got a couple of gulls. And ooh, there's a couple of mallards. I know seagulls are kind of everywhere, but I find it always good to shoot them just to get practice at shooting wildlife. Trying to anticipate their movements and their flight pattern, and catching them in mid-flight or in landing or something like that. So, oh, and I got a ride. Well, here I am driving around Petrie, and it's looking pretty quiet here too. There's some seagulls, and there was a few geese over on the ice. So there's a couple of geese here. Got a couple of photos of these guys. Usually you get a lot of geese. This is a great place to shoot the great blue herons. I think it's still a little bit early in the season for that though. I don't see any action going on. There's a couple of geese having an argument. Oh, discussing politics or something. Time to head home, have some lunch, see what photos we can get in the afternoon. Okay everybody, I'm back from lunch. Time to hit the road again. Hopefully this afternoon will be a bit busier, Uber-wise. So I managed to make it out to Center Ross Shopping Center, and I'm parked in the, northwest corner, and across the street there's a parking lot that's like fenced in, But like the seagulls are hanging out there. Like there's got to be at least 75 seagulls sitting there. So this is a good place to get pictures of seagulls and stuff. I've got one sitting right there.